Hey, I'm currently here in Bali in Indonesia. Incredible place. And while I've been here, I've created this ultimate DJ producer playbook. Now, this is an all in one place where DJs and producers can manage all of their content, so you can manage your own work system. So you can manage your gigs, you can manage your record release information, when you need to get the artwork done, when you need to send it off to people, when you need to start posting and promoting it, all of that kind of stuff, and your social media management as well. There's a section in here to be able to manage that. It's a one-stop shop to manage everything to do with your career as a DJ and a producer, and it's really going to help a lot of people. I'm so excited about this. So in this video, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail and show you exactly what's involved. And if you'd like to know more about it, then go into the comments below this video, click on the link which will take you to my website, and you can read a little bit more about it. And then if you want to get involved, the link is there as well to purchase. This is only £25, that's it. It's a one-off payment. I want as many people to be able to use this as possible because I feel like it's really useful and it's going to help a lot of people. I've used a great platform to create this called Notion, which in itself is an incredible platform for managing any kind of projects, managing your own time and anything else to do with work. So all you need to do is to set up a Notion account to get involved in this. Can't wait to hear what you think. Let me know in the comments and I'll speak to you later. Okay, this is the DJ Producer's Playbook. Now, I've created this for DJs and producers that want to manage their own schedules. They want to manage their DJ gig list, which is at the top here. Plus, there's the music release schedule. This is for the producers out there that have got tracks coming out, and you want to make sure that you've got a correct plan set up for making sure all of your things are done to make sure that the release goes ahead and you're promoting it properly as well. Then at the bottom, there's a social media plan. This allows you to schedule your social media to promote your music, promote your gigs, and promote you as a DJ as well, okay? You also get two bonuses with this. There's my ultimate share strategy for Instagram, which is a great ebook that you're going to enjoy, which is on there. Get access to that as well. Plus, you also get my other ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Managing Your Music Collection. This is a really good one as well. You're going to learn loads of stuff in this about managing all your music. Okay, so let's go back to the top. This is made on a great platform called Notion, which is an incredible tool which allows you to schedule stuff, to plan stuff. I use it for absolutely everything, for all of my social media management, and I use it for myself as well for my goal management. The first bit is the DJ gig list. Now, this allows you to manage your own calendar for your forthcoming gigs, okay? You've got different calendar views. You've got the month view. I've given you a weekly view as well, and there's the list view. Now, the list view is a great place to start and a great place to input all of the information, but you can input things from the calendar view as well. So first of all, the first box is the gig complete. So when you've completed that gig, you just tick the box and you know that that gig is done and that's out of the way. The date is the date of the actual gig. Then you've got the promoter's name. So here I've put Glitterbox. And then there's a section here where you can update the artwork. So you've got it to hand so that you can access it quickly to promote on your socials. Then I've written down your set time so you can keep a track of what time you're playing, the fee that you agreed with the promoter, your deposit. So you can tick this when your deposit's been paid, and you can also tick this one when the final payment's been made. This allows you to be able to track all the payments coming in. Also things like when you've sent your press kit, you should have a press kit as a DJ. This allows the promoter to be able to promote you to the fullest. So it'll have your bio in there, your press shots and everything, so that they can create the artwork for the event then. And then I've also got one for your rider so that you can send your rider. This is just a reminder for you to send that. And then you just make this little checkbox go to your emails, send all the emails in one go, and that's it. And then come back and check these off, and you know that that task's been done. Also left a bit here for any travel information that you might want to put down. You might want to put that you need to book a flight, or that you need to book a train, or that you need to book a driver, or anything like that. That's what this section's for here. And then when you can see as you go, so this gig is on July the 20th. So when you go to the calendar view and you click through to July, you can then see that gig appear there. And all the information that's on the other one is also on here as well. So a really good overview of seeing when your gigs are, how you can actually schedule them in, and you can either insert them, like I said, in that list view, or you can click here and add them in here. Maybe you've got a gig with Defected on the 26th of January, and then just add in all the information here. So it's a really good tool, this, for DJs. Then we move down to the music schedule release. Now it works similarly to the DJ one. I've given you different views. You've got this list view, first of all, where you can put your track information in. Then again, you've got a monthly calendar view of your releases and a weekly schedule as well. So going back here, the kind of things that you've got, when you see this open button, these are all tabs. And when you click on open, it actually opens the form that you're working in full. So you can see here that you've got your artist name. Again, you can upload the artwork to your track here. A little checkbox to say that the artwork has been created and you're happy with it. It's all good. Then the distribution setup is all sorted out. You can tick that. That's another checkbox to tick off. Any featured artists, any singers or something that you've got involved in this track, you can put there. Has the marketing plan been completed? Is the metadata registration all been done? What's the actual release date of the track? A little checkbox as well to check that any press and PR has been organized, and the production and the final stage of the track has been finished as well. Another section here to put the record label that you're releasing on. And again, this is the release date. This is the pre-order date. So it's always important to get those so you know that when you're creating the artwork to promote these tracks, you put pre-order on one and release date on the other. Then I've broken it down into a schedule for all of your tracks. So this is what you should be doing 4 to 6 weeks out before your release. And again, it's just a checkbox to make sure that you're doing all these things. So the first part is about music production finalization. Then you've got the metadata and registration part, artwork creation, distribution setup, press and PR, pre-release marketing plan as well. Then 2 to 3 weeks out, you should be looking at the release phase. So this is all about submitting to DSPs and editorial playlists, making sure that your promo campaign is done. Social media hypers start to build 2 weeks out, and DJ and influencer engagement. So making sure that you've sent the track to other DJs or influencers for early spins to get their feedback. It's always a great thing to do. Then on the release day, you've got the launch day schedule. So making sure that the streaming and download platforms are all sorted. Social media push is done. There's an email marketing campaign in place and an influencer amplification as well, making sure that you're getting support from other influencers. Then after the release, there's a section here again for all these are checkboxes just to make sure that you're doing them all. And this is all to do with analytics and tracking. So making sure that you're recording your chart position for that track, continued social media promotion to go through after the release, PR follow-up and build momentum as well for the next release. So all of these things will allow you to be able to manage your schedule, to make sure that you're planning in content so that you're not missing anything, to give your track the best possible opportunity to get high up in the charts. Okay, so this will definitely help you do that if you stick to this plan. Then coming down the bottom, you've got the social media plan. Again, set up in the same way, monthly plan, weekly view, and list view. Now, this will allow you to put in a section of what you want to post for the coming week. So I suggest that you do this a week in advance. Here you'll put in what the actual promo is going to be. So this one is going to be a promo for your new track. You're going to post this post on February the 6th. Caption, you can put in the caption later on. That's fine. I've just put TBC for now. Any artwork and stuff like that, you can just upload it from here. So everything's all in one place again. Then you've got an option here to put down what sort of content pillar this is. These are the content pillars that I suggest you stick to. You're either going to post something that's funny, music related, lifestyle related, educational, or promotional. This one's a new track and it's a promotional post. So you're going to select music and promotional so you know exactly what you're doing. This will help you make sure that you're posting different types of content, not just the same content all the time. Then the next section here allows you to put in whether it's a quote, a video, a reel, a carousel, or a single image post. Again, so you can make sure that you're mixing up your content. Then which platform you're going to post it on. So you can just select Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whichever one you're going to post on. Then you've got this section here for your scheduling, whether it's been posted or to be scheduled, an idea, or in progress. So again, when you finalize all of this bit, you then go to a scheduling tool like Metrical or put it on your app directly. Then you just tick this box to say that it's been scheduled and you know that it's been done. Then if you want to go back and have a look at the analytics of your post, this is a good opportunity to do this as well. Then you can put in here how many follows you had, how many people shared your post. If you worked with a collaborator, you can put their name in here, and a deadline for any promo material. This is a really important one. Something that I find I'm always chasing up is making sure that you've got the promo material. So put a deadline in there of the date that you want to chase it. Then that way you've got a reminder of when you're going to go back and chase the promoter or chase whoever it is that you're trying to chase for the artwork for this particular post. So there you go. You just work your way through and put in all of your scheduled posts. And then when you click on weekly, you'll be able to see all of the posts that you've got to schedule in for that week. You know, whether you post 5 times, 3 times, 6 times a week, you'll see it all in there. And this will really help you get organized and manage your system. So there you go. This is an all-in-one DJ Producer's Playbook, one area where you can manage all of your content for all of your gigs, all of your music coming up, and you can manage all of your social media in here as well, all your social media posts. You can also access this from your phone. It's just as good. You do get a better view on a computer or a laptop, but you can access all the information on your phone as well, which is brilliant. It means you can do this on the go as well, whether you're flying or wherever it is that you're doing on the way to a gig. It allows you to work on this process as you go. So there you go, the DJ Producer's Playbook. If you want to know more about it, head down into the comments and you'll be able to go to my website to read more about it. The cost of this is only £25, a one-off payment, absolute bargain. I want as many people to be able to use this as possible because I want to start seeing you all start winning and start getting organized. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.